Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. Something that causes a lot of confusion is the use of apostrophes. Most punctuation marks serve one very clear purpose. The apostrophe has more than one function, and the rules differ depending on why it is being used. Apostrophes have two primary functions, to denote ownership and to indicate contractions. What do these mean? We'll start with the ownership. If we want to show that a noun, a person or a thing, has ownership or possession of something, we follow that noun with apostrophe S. So Danny's dog was wrapped in a blanket could be rewritten as the dog belonging to Danny was wrapped in a blanket. And the cat's hat was too big could be written as the hat belonging to the cat was too big. The same principle applies to names or objects that in their singular form end with the letter S. For example, James's hat was pink. The second function of an apostrophe is to indicate that the word is a contraction. Two words squished into one. In all of these examples, the apostrophe appears where the missing letters would be. Sometimes the reason for using the apostrophe is obvious. There is only one possible way to interpret shouldn't or haven't. But sometimes you have to get the meaning from the context. For example, do these denote ownership or contractions? The only way to be sure is by seeing these words in a sentence. The ownership apostrophe rules are muddied a little when it's a plural of something that has ownership. In this case, all you do is add the apostrophe to the end of the word. Of course, if the plural form of the word does not end with the letter S like most plurals do, you would still have to add an S after the apostrophe. And finally, I will give you the number one don't when it comes to using apostrophes. Don't use an apostrophe to create plurals. This is wrong, but this is right. There are a handful of exceptions to these rules, but those are the basics. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.